Hi friends, my name is Miss Bailey and welcome to our program for this week. So today we will be making chocolate covered strawberries. So for this recipe you will need about 16 ounces of strawberries and a half a cup of chocolate chips. In the past, when I would make chocolate covered strawberries, the Ghirardelli baked chocolate chips always worked best for me. And you will need a microwave safe bowl. To know that you have a microwave safe bowl, on the bottom of it, it should say microwave safe. I'm going to be taking about a half a cup of our chocolate chips and placing them into the bowl. I love how our half a cup has a little body to him. So I'm just going to be adding half a cup of chocolate chips to our bowl. Oh, that smells so good. So now I'm going to take our chocolate chips and pop them in the microwave for about 1 minute. And then once the 1 minute timer is done, I will take a spoon to mix together the melted chocolate. Also, it's important to use some type of oven mitt to grab the bowl out of the microwave since it's going to be a little hot. Okay, so I've taken my chocolate chips out of the microwave and they didn't melt all the way, which is okay. I'm going to mix everything together and then pop it back in the microwave for another minute. Okay, so I've taken my bowl out of the microwave and it's completely melted. I'm going to stir this for about 30 seconds just to make sure everything is completely melted. Okay, so here is our melted chocolate. Now for this next part you have two options. One, you could dip the strawberries with your hands, or you could take a toothpick and dip them that way, but unfortunately I don't have toothpicks, so I'm going to be dipping it with my hands. Okay, so here is what our chocolate covered strawberries look like. Now, this is totally optional. If you want to get a little fancy with your strawberries, you can add toppings to them. I'm going to be adding some sprinkles, and here are the sprinkles that I have at my house. Nothing fancy. Any type of sprinkles you try to put on your strawberries will look cute. Okay, so automatically the chocolate starts to harden. But I'm going to go ahead and pop these in the fridge for about 30 minutes just so they have that really hard chocolate surface. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes and our strawberries have a nice hard chocolate shell around them. And here's what one looks like. Super easy recipe for an after-school snack or a dessert. Thank you all so much for joining me for our program for today. If you'd like more information on our programs, make sure to visit our website and our Facebook page for updates. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you soon.